Bonafide Hustler here, and I want to know, do these eBay things even work? What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my office. Don't forget to pick up the free guide that you can find at bonafidehustler.com. I think you'll really enjoy it. But this video is all about, do these eBay things work? Like, I'm very skeptical, especially on this first thing, which is on at least the app that's on the phone. You go to your My eBay page on your app, it's like lower left corner, you press your selling key, and then you're sitting here at this thing called send offer to buyers, right? There's a little thing on the bottom that says send offer to buyers. And I've messed with this at least 3 or 4 times by now. And it looks kind of like that. You can I have like 5 offers to send to buyers, and you can just send offers, right? It's really weird. You press this key and it says there's 4 interested buyers in this pair of like Timberland boots, for example, right? And I send an offer, let's say for 200 bucks, right? They're listed at $300. And I send this offer for 200 bucks. Nobody freaking cares. And I have done this countless times. I don't get it. Like, does this thing even work? That's my first question. Like, why does eBay put stuff in here? I mean, if it doesn't work, I would think I've at least done somewhere between 20 and 30 offers. Not one person has bought it. So that's crazy. But then again, I ran this question in the green room about 3 weeks ago, and there were some people that were like super diehard about it. They were like, yeah, it's awesome. It's a great feature. I don't know what I'm missing. So go to your phone, go to your My eBay. It's in the bottom left corner of your app, and then hit the selling button, all right? So My eBay, hit the selling button, and then midway on the page, it says send offer to buyers. You should have a number next to it, and you hit it, right? And it's gonna get you to this screen, which I just showed you, and you can scroll to get the offers. I mean, it's like, you can scroll to put your offers in. I guess, presumably these offers go to the people through their email somehow. I don't know. Something's not clicking. I don't know. Maybe I am doing something wrong, but it sounds like this eBay thing isn't working very well, or it's just some gimmick. Maybe I'm wrong. So help me out there. Let me know what you guys are experiencing on your side. The other thing I want to know a little bit more about, does this eBay thing kind of work, is more of like a strategy. So let's say you have a bunch of buy it now kind of things, and they're all GTC, obviously, good till canceled. Now, depending on what kind of store subscription you have and the amount of items that you have in your store, I've heard that you can actually axe all your listings, like delete all of them, then relist them all, and then somehow that brings it up in the algorithm. I don't know if it works. I'm probably gonna try it really soon, if not today. But it's one of those things that I wanna know, does this eBay thing work? Because I've heard it a couple of times only. Now, my videos probably get seen to about 10% of my audience. So, you know, I got like 35K, you know, and so an average video of mine will do somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 views in the first day or two, typically, if it's a really good video. And that's just how the YouTube algorithm works. So out of those comments that came from those 3,000 to 5,000 views, like randomly through videos, very few people have said that if you delete all your listings and then you relist them, assuming you can do that and it doesn't like super penalize you in some way, and you don't have like thousands and thousands and thousands of items in your inventory, these people have said that it actually ranks you higher in the eBay algorithm, that it almost freshens up your listings completely. So I'm really curious to see if that works. I'll report back to you guys as well. But this is a really short video because I'm convinced that one thing absolutely doesn't work. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's not the first time that something that has been on eBay or eBay kind of touts doesn't work, or at least it doesn't work for me, I don't know. Now the other thing might work. I'm gonna try that out, but you let me know if it works, if you've done it, because I wanna hear about it. I'm always down to like optimize, experiment, those kind of things. And I think collectively we can all do better on eBay. Thanks for watching the video. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.